Hi guys, how are you? I'm fine. So today I'm gonna show you how I trade the strategy, and this is 1 hour EURUSD. There's a it shows like rising channel, so I'm doing like this. Yeah. So when we came to 30 minutes, it's like I'm seeing a horizontal thing, like this possible rejection area around here. Yeah, maybe it would go down. There may be a fake breakout, but yeah, like this. So we will scalp, we will scalp. This 15 minutes. I'm seeing like a rising channel thing in 5 minutes. So yeah, like this. Yeah. Sometimes this thing disturbing for you. Okay. So I think now you got my idea. So everything is clear. So I think it's clear for you guys. This is just to show you the strategy. Don't look at numbers. So I'm seeing like rising channel, so it breaks his all legs, so it will be down, or it may go up and down. But now if it breaks with a best candle, so we will go sell. Yeah, this is rejection area. If it breaks, so we will go sell. If you are a scalper, you have to be ready. You have to be ready. Okay, it's EURUSD. So now it's time. Yes, I edit everything because to save time. This is how I scalp. If it acts like to go up, I will cut the video and start again. So I think the TP will be around there, yeah, because there is possible rejection around there. So we will get in and out. Guys, it's real, believe me. Like, I edited the video because it was too long, around 30-minute videos. So when you see 2-3 candles, yeah, like a few minutes later it became like this, so it's going down. So welcome. Please don't look at numbers, okay? This is I opened a little position with little lot sizes, so don't look at the numbers. The profit numbers, you know. So it's 31 USD, I think. So don't look at numbers, just look at the strategy, then you can take the profit. This is how I did it, You get in and out. A few minutes later again, price, as I told you, it went up, but down. It went up and down. Again, there is a possible rejection area around there, so when the candle breaks, I get in. So in the next video I will tell you why I use EMS. They are very useful, you know. But for now, just see this. Don't look at numbers. Just see strategy, and you can increase your lot size and the position you opened. I opened a little lot size with a little lot size. I mean a little positions. So there is a possible rejection area around there, but we don't wait up to TP, okay? We don't wait. If it goes down for a while, so we will take the profit and go up. If you see the channel, it tests up. Oh, whoa, whoa, it's coming. Wow. We take our profit. Bye. You know, don't look at numbers. So after 2 days, the market was reacting as my strategy. So it goes down. So in between, I scalped. It worked.